guys, so it's super early in the morning, but I thought I'd quickly do a short video on one of my favorite facial masks, especially if you guys are looking to get really nice clear complexion, clear your skin, and that is to use the turmeric and honey mask. I love this stuff. Immediately you see your skin, it looks so radiant, so glowy, and your complexion is almost so clear. Now of course you have to do this facial like quite often. I do it about 3 times a week if I'm really trying to, like, you know, clear my complexion and clear like any pigmentation. But I swear by this mask, it's one of the best, and it's an anti-ager. It's got so many great properties. I'll probably put like the properties, like the benefits over here somewhere. But yeah, the turmeric and honey mask, give it a try. It's amazing, and it makes your makeup also look so good. Cool guys, I'll see you in my next video.